Hey guys, it's me, Tina Marie, with True Meaning of Radiance. Today's video is super exciting because it's my online stuff. It finally showed up. So I have some online haulage to show you guys. I have the Gingham box. Look at her. She's so pretty. So the Gingham box normally goes for $85. It's on the site right now for 50 bucks. So if you really wanted it, go online. You can get it for $50. Plus, if you got a 20% off, use it. Or if you got a 10 off, use that. So we're going to see if she's worth it, okay? Are you worth it? We're going to find that out today. And I also have the rest of my online order when they did the sprays, the antibacterial hand sprays. So yeah, that's the boring part, the hand sprays. So we'll do that last because that's not that exciting. But if you're not subscribed to the channel right now, it's time to subscribe. Make sure your notification bell's on. So anytime I upload in this thing, you are alerted. I'm excited, y'all. My Gingham box finally came. I got it during Black Friday weekend. No, I got this on Cyber Monday. That's when I got it on Cyber Monday, and it was $51 is what it came up to. Again, the normal price for this thing, $85. Packaging is amazing. Like, I love this. This is gonna stay in my little area over there, the little beauty area. Oh, it's so cute. But we're gonna take the beautiful bow off. Oh my God, Merry Christmas to me. Like, Merry Christmas, Tina, from Tina. Like, oh my God. Okay, so let's open her up. She's so pretty. She's so pretty. There you go. And you're supposed to open one, I guess, each day for the 12th day of Christmas. Oops, my bad. We ain't gonna do that today. We're gonna open it all up today, okay? So on the 12th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me. And it says, for you. Hold on. What is it, Bath and Body? Why can't I open it? Oh, is there another way to open it? Guys, hold on. I might be able to trick the system so I don't have to open it the other way. Let me see. Hold on. Oh, you can open it from the top. Okay, so good. Because I don't want to bust it open. I don't want to bust it wide open, but bust it. Oh, that's not appropriate, is it? Oh, my bad. This one right here is left intentionally blank because when you open it, that spot just says a Gingham Christmas right there. So it's intentionally left blank. I had to record that like 4 times because everything keeps falling out. So this is what it looks like because I don't want the stuff to fall out. But this is what you get. The first thing is a full-size concentrated room spray. The room spray looks just like this. It just says Gingham on it. And I just love the packaging. It's super cute. The next thing you get in here is a single wick candle. And of course, it's the Gingham single wick candle. The Gingham single wick candle normally goes for $14.50, I believe. Yeah, $14.50, and it's included in this box. So just these 2 items, you're at $23. And that's if you pay regular price for them. So far, it's looking like a good deal. You have the Gingham Wallflower plug-in. The plug-in normally goes for $7.50. So boom, we're at $30 already just in these 3 items. I love this. This is one thing that really made me get this is the holder. Look at that. It's a Gingham pocket back holder. The pocket back holder, does it have like an individual price point on it? It says normally $5.75. So normally this goes for $5.75, but of course you get it included. I have the Gingham pocket back in here. They have the Gingham perfume stick. The perfume stick normally goes for $14.50 for the solid perfume, and is 0.21 ounces, and it looks just like this. Last thing in here is the Gingham hand cream on this side, and this normally goes for $6.50. So just showing you guys this side alone, it pays for the box itself, not the $85 box, but it pays for how much I paid for the box. So I'm kind of happy with the items that I received in this box, not even looking at the other side yet, because I only paid, you know, the $51. But if someone paid $85, I can see where they're a little bit disappointed. But at the bottom line of it all, you know, if you got these things individually, it would cost more. So getting it in a box set is a really good deal. So far I'm happy. So far, no complaints. So that's the first side. I'm gonna put it back in here, and then we're gonna open the second side. I just love that I can open it here from the top, so I don't have to mess with and punch through the holes in it and stuff like that. I want to keep this box. Like, I want to keep it the way it is, and it's just going to be for decoration. Like, is that bad or what? But I really like it. But this is this side. Oh, wow. To me, this side is just the bonus, because you've seen everything I got on the one side paid for the box itself. So to me, this feels like this side is the bonus. What you got in this one is a travel size gingham spray. Always can use that on deck. You got the gingham, what is this? The 24-hour moisture ultra shea body cream. You get a mini gingham shower gel. You get the gingham perfume spray, and that goes for, I think, what, $12.50 or $14.50, one of the two. You get the wallflower plug, and the wallflower plug goes for $10.50. Now, that is really good to me on this side. This feels like this is the bonus for me, since I only spent $51 on the entire box. This just made the box even more special to me, because I got so much more for my money. So let's wrap up this box, okay? This is everything that you would get for $85. Looking at it, I don't think it's worth $85. I'm just gonna be honest with you guys, because you can piecemeal together this and use different coupons and get a cheaper price. What makes it worth it is the cute box that it comes in. It's festive and stuff like that. But the good thing is this is no longer $85. You can get this for $50 right now on the site. Is this worth $50? Yes, and then throw a 10 off 40 on it, or a 20% off. Well, 10 off 40 would be the better one to use, because, you know, 20% off is still going to be the same thing. Yes, this is definitely worth it for that discounted price, because you'll end up getting this for $40, and this is definitely worth $40. I mean, come on. I think it's worth $51 in my opinion. So this is a really nice box. The gift box in it is just everything too. So definitely happy to have more gingham on deck. So yeah, that's my gingham box. Now let's get into these hand sanitizer sprays. So I got quite a few sprays. Some of them got canceled and money was refunded to me for the ones that got canceled. But the ones I was able to get was cucumber melon. Cucumber melon looks just like this. Always good to have a cucumber melon in your game. So I got one of those. I have eucalyptus tea. Eucalyptus tea looks just like this. And they even had a better deal, because I think at the time when we got them, what were they, like $3 something or something like that? And then when they did the deal for the minis for $2.75, that ended up being a better deal. But oh well, I had an order already coming. That's why you didn't see any of these like during that sale. I got the gingham, of course. I love the gingham. So I got 2 ginghams. One's going to be for me. One's going to actually be a gift. The one that's going to be for me is the one without the top, because all this stuff was packaged so loosely. Tops was off. Things was all over the place. So I had to put everything back together. So I wish they would have packaged it just a little bit better. But one of the ginghams mine, one's going to be a gift. So yeah, that's the ginghams. I got 1,000 wishes because the packaging was super cute on it. And normally this one goes for $5.50 and it was on a discount price, so I couldn't say no. So I got 1,000 wishes. I got 2 of the originals, because the original is supposed to smell really good. I sprayed it last night, guys. It does smell amazing. So it says our formula with aloe leaves hands feeling clean and virtually germ free, because this is made with 72% alcohol. I know some people say 72 is not enough for them, but it's been working pretty well for me. I like the smell of the original. It smells really good. So I have 2 of them, and yeah, both of these are for me. I'm not sharing these ones. They're mine, okay? I got a Sunshine and Lemons. I love Sunshine and Lemons. It's a really good scent, so I picked up one of these. And the last one that I have is the White Tea and Sage, and I wanted to try it out, and I like the packaging. It's very springy, summery to me, so I had to have at least one, so I picked up one of those. That's it, guys. That's all I got for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. The gingham box was really, really nice. I have to say it was. I'm so happy I have it in my house now. I'm not going to really be using anything out of it. I'm holding on to dear life because I have a lot of full-size items in gingham, like a lot of gingham, because I really do like it. And I remember when gingham first came out, I gave it hate, like hate. I hated on it, like seriously I did. But now I like it. It's so funny how scents will grow on you. And gingham was one of those scents that just grew on me. It's very light, but it's very non-offensive. So it's really nice to have in your collection. So if you're thinking about getting gingham, gingham is a good one to get. And I didn't include it in the video that's about to come out later, which is the picks for these, you know, body care day that's coming up, but add Gingham to the list too. Okay, I'm telling you now. So boom, add Gingham too. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, rate, comment, subscribe, thumbs up, help me show up in trending, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.